Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about oral anticoagulant. This dicumarol, warfarin, phenadione. These are the oral anticoagulants which are given orally. The mechanism of action is vitamin K is necessary for prothrombin synthesis. So the warfarin prevent prothrombin synthesis and other clotting factor like 7, 9 and 10. In the absence of the prothrombin and the clotting factor, the blood does not coagulate. This is the mechanism of action. So this oral anticoagulant, it is known as antiprothrombin also. Onset of action is 1 to 3 days. Duration is 4 to 7 days of action. Remains even after stopping the drug. The prothrombin time measures should be taken because there might be a chance of after the withdrawal of the drug, the action remains. So it takes 4 to 7 days for the prothrombin to return into normal after stoppage of the drug. These are some of the disadvantages of the oral anticoagulant. And 99% of the plasma protein. In 99%, it is in bounded form with the plasma protein. Uses just like heparin. Please do watch the video of heparin and watch this. You might get a clear idea of it. And the dose of the warfarin is 10 mg starting from the day of maintenance and 3 to 6 mg daily. The adverse effects are bleeding can occur anywhere in the body. Internal bleeding is dangerous. The treatment are stop the drug, fresh blood transfusion, antidote vitamin K1 which is an oxide given to help the synthesis of prothrombin and other clotting factors, and teratogenic effect not used during the pregnancy, as well as there might be a skin reaction, chance of skin reaction. When these drugs are suddenly withdrawn, there might be more anticoagulant activity and results in bleeding. Contraindication to which people these heparin should not be given. This anticoagulant, oral anticoagulant should not be given are bleeding disorder patient like hemophilia patient, thrombocytopenia, several hypertension, and cirrhosis, peptic ulcer, renal failure. To these patients, this oral anticoagulant should not be given. This video is based on the viewer demand who asked for oral anticoagulant. Thank you. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.